My name is Keith Burrows. I live in a semi-detached house in the west end of Toronto that was built in 1912. We installed a ducted cold climate heat pump last winter to replace an aging furnace and a really old air conditioner. And we added insulation to the attic and the flat roof at the same time. It really wasn't invasive. There's an air handler that replaced our existing furnace, and the air handler integrated right with our existing ducts. So the installation was really quite straightforward. We've been much more comfortable than we were with the gas furnace. The gas furnace would really provide like an inconsistent heat where it would be really warm when it kicked on and then quite cold when it shut off. The heat pump provides a more consistent heat, almost washing the inside of the house with warm air. So that's been a big improvement. It's also quieter inside than the furnace was. It runs at a lower fan speed, so it's almost like just a quiet background noise, which was something that was unexpected for us, but really been a nice improvement. Overall, we're much happier with the heat pump than we were with the furnace. Don't wait till the middle of winter and your furnace dies to start thinking about a heat pump project. It really requires careful planning. So I highly recommend starting with an EnerGuide audit. Get a sense of how your home is performing and look for opportunities to improve the envelope as part of the heat pump installation. The technology is proven, we know it works. It's really a matter of making sure that the installation is done correctly and the equipment is sized correctly. Heat pumps work just fine in old homes, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise.